Hello guys, this is Zoe. Welcome to Wuhan Jingmi Laser Technology. Today I will show you an equipment that redefines the cleaning efficiency. It's our 2000-watt laser cleaning machine. Let's take a look at the core parameters. Firstly, what does the 2000-watt ultra-strong laser power mean? Whether it's the stable oxide layer and the paint coating on the metal surface, or the heavy rust on shafts and bridges, it can be disintegrated in an instant. Compared with traditional cleaning methods, the advantages of laser cleaning are dimensionality, reduction strike. Our 2000-watt laser cleaning machine has zero consumables and zero pollution. Through non-contact cleaning, it can make the surface of the material look brand new while ensure that the base is intact. What's more amazing is the smart control system. Even the complex special parts, it can be cleaned and processed accurately. And this equipment is applied for the automobile industry, aerospace, motor repairing, and so on. And its service line is up to 100,000 hours. It is almost maintenance-free. We use water cooling dissipation system, and we can control the temperature anytime to ensure the equipment is work for 24 hours without any downtime. The 2000-watt laser cleaning machine is not only a piece of equipment, but also a key to a new era of efficient and green industry. If you are interested in this video, please kindly click the like button and leave your comment here. See you later.